Get ready, start. This petition is filed under section 482 of CRPC, praying this court to quash the complaint dated 21/4/2017, pending on the file of 9th Additional District and Sessions Judge and Special Judge, Bengaluru Rural District, Bengaluru, FIR in crime number 6/2017, dated 2/6/2017, registered by the respondent ACB, Bengaluru Rural District, for the offence punishable under sections 13(1)(c), read with section 13(2) of Prevention of Corruption Act, 1988, open bracket, for short, the PC Act, bracket complete, semicolon. Also, the order of taking cognizance dated 19/1/2019 for the above offence, semicolon, and charge sheet in SPLC number 9/2019 for the above offence, and to consequently, quash all further proceedings thereto, full stop, para. The factual matrix of the case is that respondent number 2 had lodged the complaint before respondent number 1, police making the allegation that based on the application dated 2/1/2016 submitted by Mrs. Ortiz, Land Developers LLP, the Viswanathapura Gram Panchayat, Devanahalli Taluk, in its meeting on 8/1/2016 and 11/3/2016 had decided to write a letter to Panchayat Development Officer and to seek permission and thereafter, to take necessary steps, full stop. It is also alleged that under the Karnataka Gram Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act, 1993 and Karnataka Panchayat Raj open bracket acquisition of movable and immovable properties by Gram Panchayat bracket complete rules, 1996 permission has to be sought from the Taluk Panchayat, full stop. It is also alleged in the complaint that an endorsement has been given by the executive officer stating that no such proposal was placed before the Taluk Panchayat, Devanahalli, full stop. It is further alleged that accused number 1, by abusing his office, has taken the decision to allot the CA sites number 1 and 2 formed in SY number 64 and SY number 12, situated at Bommanavara village and Bhalli village within the limits of Devanahalli Taluk. As such, the state government wide its order dated 21/4/2017 directed the respondent hyphen police to register FIR for the above offences. Full stop. Stop.